Good morning once more, traders, and welcome to the third part of today's recording. Today is still the 1st of November 2024, and this is the third part of this morning's recording where I go over analysis on JPY pairs, and I can also add a few more other currency pairs which are more of the crosses. So if you like my video, if you like the analysis, if you like what I do and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do well to do that as soon as possible, because you have a lot to gain and nothing really to lose. And if you have any questions at all, you can do well to leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to attend to all of them individually. Now let's go. USD JPY. I analyzed this during the last record, the second one, when I went over the major pairs, USD pairs. So I'm also going to redo it again. So I said wait for a correction here, or wait for this to go up some more, wait for a correction and you can buy. If not, do not buy, because this could be this that is coming down. Okay, it could be this that is coming down. It could also be this, which means you have to wait for the correction, and this becomes a standalone correction on its own. This becomes a 1, 2, 3. So you can wait for this to form a correction here and you buy it for this move, or you can just allow it to go, come here, makes an impulse, a correction, you sell it once more to break this low before we start looking for this move. The second one on the list is GBP JPY. So let's take a look. This one also is seeming to make a correction here. We could see this come back here. We could see it go up, and this could end up being an entire correction for more down move. It could also end up being a start of an up move. So however it is, once it gets to this low, look for an impulse on the 5 minutes or 1 minute and buy it. Once it breaks this stop, put your stop loss to break even and see if it reverses for this. And if you put your stop loss for break even, you're going to do a technical trading here. You also need to put your sell stop pending order here. So if it comes out, if it's coming down, it takes you out at break even, it will take you into the sales and continue going. So I hope that was well understood. Okay, let's go for AUD JPY. So it's moving up quite well. We already have this correction finished and that trade is gone. It's forming a little more correction here, and it could be going up some more for this move. We may actually be getting this move right here. We may actually be getting that. Let's put this across here first and see what it does. We may be going for that move. Yeah, we may. Let's see how it goes. Should come about here. About here should be the 100% retracement. So who says it can't do that? There's a small flag here, and that should be on the 1 minute. I don't know if you want to take it. Might be just not worth it, but if you take it, you put your stop under this low, take it here, or you take it as an instant market order, you put your stop under this low. You can go for that 1:1 trade. But why I wouldn't advise that is that this can do this and say turn back, and this becomes a correction for more down move. You never can tell. So if you missed it here, You may just want to allow it to do whatever it's doing. Turn makes an impulse correction, you sell. And Euro JPY, this one also seems like it's making a correction here for this, and if we get that, we'll get this hopefully before we continue. So keep your eye on this one. I think this one is making something more clearer than the others. Sorry, let me clean this first. I think this one is making something more clear than the others, so keep your eye on that one. Keep your eye on it. Remember, I said it could do this, could come back here, it could do this. This whole thing might become a correction for this. It might also be a correction for this move. Remember this move. So let's keep an eye on that. If it forms, gives you an impulse, forms a correction, take it, because you don't know how far this move will go before we start getting this retracement. So take it. If it breaks the low, put your stop loss to break even and wait and see what it does. So at some point it turns, gives you a flag, exit the trade, take your profit, and you can buy it back, targeting somewhere around there. So with that being said, let's move on to NZD-JPY. This one already formed a correction and is moving up too, which is awesome. And you have missed the trade already. Could be going up for this move. This one could be going up for this one. Could be. Sorry. Could be going up for that move. And it is here. So who says it can't climb some more? So just wait for it to climb some more. You can look for the sell opportunities. Just wait for you to climb, look for the sells and short it. Take this out. Remember, I'm still on the 5 minutes time window, so these trades are not just that big. Awesome. This one is already proving that it will do this, and it might pull back for this. So we might just be getting this series of impulses, correction. We might just even have an impulse again and have another correction, and before you know it, we're just through for that move. Where is that move? Yeah, before you know it, we're already through for this move. Yeah, you can see, right? Yeah. Before you know it, we are already through for that move. Let me take the measurement. It should be, take it like this, yeah. So before you know it, we are already through for that move. You see, yeah? So that's it. And once we complete this move, we are going up, straight up. CHF JPY, this one has climbed quite okay. I'm moving on the 4 hours time frame. So this one here has also been proven to, I think this is all the correction, and this is the top. So it's proving that it will do this, most likely come down, do this and continue. It's proving that. So let's see if we get this move finally, this one. Let's see if we get that, or if we are just completing this to. So here is the thing: if it forms this, if it does this, breaks this low, comes back here, we'll sell it for this longer move. If it does this, comes back here, maybe even break the high or the top, comes back here, if we see a buy, an impulse and a flag from the 15 minutes or 5 minutes time window. If we see something like that, we'll sell it, considering that this is already a completion of this. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So we have one where we will now take another look at this thing as a 1, a 2 contracting flat, and a 3, putting it like this. And then having this as the top, where we also have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just keep it open. Maybe take these things out for now, but at least you should know what to look out for, right? So let's go for CAT CHF. What is it doing? Told you this move will come. Wait for it to come. It may be coming right now. So if it pulls back here, you can take the trade, right? Can take the trade. Already broken this low, so let's just leave the line there for now. Let's just leave the line there. NZDCHF going back up, like said. So this ended up becoming this. I see. Take this out. Just draw it across here. I see. So this is a standalone correction on its own too. Oh, sorry. Standalone correction on its own too. Wow, we see. So hold on, and you can take this one, and once it gets to this stop, you put your stop loss to break even and see if it's the move we are looking for, which is go to the 4 hour, which is this. Coming back up. Wait for it. Could be it. Just wait. NZD card. Okay. You know what to look out for. I shouldn't be telling you what to look out for. This didn't break the low, right? It just touched the low and went up. Okay, it broke it, went up, broke the low again. So could this be that this was this? Yeah, could it be that was that, and this is the low? It's breaking out of this and it's forming a correction, and that's a likelihood that it will go up some more. So we have this and we have this in the middle here, so it kind of makes more sense now. So we could be going back up. Keep your eye on that one. Euro GBP could be coming down. Not yet. Has been on this correction since late US session yesterday. All right. This one was the one that actually deceived us, making this an impulse, and making this the correction. And we have this, but anyways, we'll wait for it to make an impulse or correction. We'll start selling it, because this move right there is for this. See, it's for this. Hopefully becomes that. If it makes a significant correction here on the 1 hour, we can buy some more for this move. then this could be all the correction here. This is just the low, and this is just the start of that big move. So you can see this one right here, okay, not this one right here, this one. Yeah, so let's see, let's just wait and see if it's going for this one or that one. Let's wait and see. Euro CHF, let's go to the 15. Still forming these clusters here. Where would that take us to? We're still expecting this to come break this low, but if it's not, then it might come break this top. So it has this, but we might just be going up some more to complete this. So you might just put a pending order above just in case it takes up. Just know that, have it in mind that we might be coming for this move. So we might have completed everything that has happened here, 1, 2, 3, and we might just be crawling up for this move, this one. So keep your eye on that too. Euro NZD, okay, coming down, is it ready, or is it going to pull back one more? Seems looking like it's gonna pull back one more, looking like it's gonna do this, maybe pull back one more, and before we start coming for this move. And we could also come down some more. Let me see what the bigger picture is. Go to the 4 hour. Okay, no, that's just a correction here, so wait for this correction to finish. I told you, right, that we could have a correction there. So wait for this to finish whatever it is doing. Wait for it to finish, and you can buy. You can also buy and sell within this correction if you're on the 5 minutes time window, and if you have the skill levels and know what to look out for, because I won't always be here to tell you that okay, it's getting ready for buys or getting ready for sales. This is Euro card, where we are expecting it to either turn back or go break this stop. It's come quite so far, and it could just be going for this stop. So keep your eye to see a correction here before you buy from the 1 hour, of course, a 1 hour flag. And Euro AUD, this one might just have some more upwards move to make. Or might still come down to break this low due to what is happening here. So if we see a buy setup, we take. If we see a sell setup, we also take it. But this one right here is looking like it's a buy setup. With this happening in the middle and this coming down. If it comes down some more, if you see an impulse and a flag, buy it. Right? You can also put your pending order here just in case you didn't get that impulse and the flag and it decides to take off really fast. I think that's pretty much it, and we've covered a lot from the first recording to the second and to this third one. So do take care while trading, and make sure you manage your risks and your monies appropriately. If you have any questions at all, you can leave it in the comment section, and also make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop videos, informative and educational like this. See you next time, hopefully. Bye.